Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add emoji into your HTML website. So it's a very simple process. If I just show you side by side, and as you can see into this website, we're going to add the emoji. So for that, as we can see, we write the HTML structure and we add a div tag, and into the div tag we add style font size 50px. So for the emoji, we need to search here emoji code HTML into Google. After that, we can simply go for HTML emoji. And as you can see, there are lots of emoji over here. So for using them, we can simply copy their value. So if I just copied the value of this mountain and simply paste it into the div closing and opening tag and save everything, as you can see, here is our emoji. If I just make the size a little bit bigger, come into the font size and make it 100px, save everything, and as you can see right now the size is bigger. So if you need 300 400 pixel, you can simply save it, and now as you can see, emoji looking bigger. So this is how we can simply add emoji into your HTML website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.